Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Chime to Venmo. First, open the Venmo app and go to the Me tab at the bottom. Tap Add Bank or Card, then choose Bank. Select Instant Verification to search for Chime, and sign in with your Chime credentials or choose manual verification and enter your Chime routing and account numbers, then wait for the micro deposits to verify. Once your Chime account is linked, go back to the Venmo home screen and tap Add Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Select your Chime account as the funding source and confirm. If you're using a linked Chime debit card, the money should appear instantly. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Chime to Venmo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.